Hey, what's up, guys? It's storming. First one of 2018, at least where I live, in Pittsburgh. Yeah, it's raining too. Look at it. Ooh. And I'm gonna see if I can get some footage of it. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. Trying to manual or focus as best I can for you guys. So like this thing on my I got like a little side porch, and like this thing, look, literally rip, rest in peace. Like I've went through so many, and the neighbor even tried to freaking tie it up, and it still broke. Like it's ridiculous. So you know what? I'm like, forget it. I just can't. So I put duct tape down here to at least stop that. But you can see it's still. It's insane. Look at that. I don't know why this is like a wind tunnel over here. Woo! Oh my god. I've actually never watched a storm on this my little side porch before. It's not bad. It's just very small. Whoa! As you can see, I would love to have. Whoa, dude. I would love to have a whatchamacall. A screened-in porch would be amazing. I'm hoping my next house, future house, will be have a enclosed porch so I could sit out, watch storms, and I think it'd be just so freaking awesome. We got a view out the front here. Wind. This is like a wind tunnel over here or something. Hi, Gooby! Oh, you guys can see her a little bit. Hi, Goob! What are you doing? Piggy's hiding, I know that. I don't know why this dimwit's out here. She's a storm chaser like Daddy. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you love storms or hate them? I love them. Oh, man, I love them. I love to film them, especially. They're just so cozy and relaxing and cool. And whoa, that was a cool strike. I don't know if I got it, though, in the sky. It was way up there. By the tree. It's lighting up the sky pretty good here. I like it. I'm impressed. Hopefully many more storms to come this year, especially when summer comes along. I love thunderstorms, man. They're just so awesome. Oh, man. The bad thing is my camera's getting wet. I'm gonna go up front. Hi, Gooby. What are you doing, man? Huh? Whoa. What is that? Something fell over. Probably my garbage can. No, I don't know what that was. This ain't much better. Getting wet on this porch, man. It's windy too. Oh, I better roll this up. This will be. Whoa, my God, that was so cool. Some bolts. Oh, we'll be able to see a little better, at least. Wish it wasn't so freaking windy. Getting all wet here, man. Oh, nice. Yeah, some good strikes. Some good lightning strikes here. Sky's lighting up pretty good. that was a good one. Look at that, right over there, man. Should have my GoPro. That thing's waterproof. Could just have it sit out here. Oh, a little nippy. Ooh. Oh man, I gotta chill. Sorry. I don't mean to be shaking the camera here. Oh, nice! That was right there, dude. That was awesome. That was awesome. Good ones seem to be like right up here. If you're gonna storm, you gotta lightning and thunder, man. If it's just rain and it's nice, it's soothing, but I'm here for the lightning, man. Lightning and the thunder! I just shouted that out this window. All my neighbors are probably like, good lord. My ears are bleeding! Oh, that wind. Whoa, baby. Holy baby. That's insane, man. That wind is crazy. Whoa, that was a nice lit up lightning strike, if that made sense. I don't know how close or far that was. It seemed to be pretty far. About 6 miles away, I think. Seems like it's getting further. Wherever that hit, though, man, was probably freaking insane. Because that lit up like the whole road. Dooby-doo. I actually want to take a shower right now, but I don't want to get electrocuted, so I guess we're going to have to wait on that. Right, Goob? We're going to have to wait on the shower. There's Goober, guys. Apparently not afraid of thunderstorms at all. She's just like Daddy. She loves them. Dude, you're insane. Piggy is hiding. I don't know where she's, probably under that bed or under that thing over there. You're a storm chaser just like Daddy, aren't you? Aren't you, you silly sausage? Yes, you is. Yes, you is. I gotta clean your litter. You guys are crapping everywhere, man. Oh, Gooby. Gooby-doo. Goober loves the belly rubs. Then she bites you. And she bites you. Ow! Goober. Hey. You no bite. Look at this cat. What a weirdo. Oh my god. You're a true weirdo. And then she licks you. What a goof. What a goof, man. Ugh. Is that it? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little video of the storm here. This is my second channel, so if you're not subbed, drop a sub. It's just everything and anything else. This channel's utter chaos. You never know what I'm gonna upload. It's just all kind of crap. Whatever I feel like uploading is gonna be on this. Oh my god, you guys need food. Holy crap, dude. Click the circle to the right to subscribe to the channel, and to the left is my newest video, my newest upload on this channel. So you should check that out next, right, Goob? And as we always say, thanks for watching.